Let's get you this big breaking update. The GST department has tightened news on businessmen in Assam. 7 businessmen nabbed in Assam for GST evasion. The development came days after GST department conducted statewide raids in Assam detecting tax suppression to the tune of rupees 5 crores 80 lakhs. The Commissionerate of State Goods and Services Tax have lodged FIR against 7 persons in Guwahati. After dip in GST revenue collections, the department is going after businesses for tax evasion. Big breaking news coming at this point of time. The Commissioner of State Goods and Services Tax in a statement said that an FIR was lodged against 7 individuals proprietors of transport and logistics business. They were allegedly found to be involved in the movement of taxable goods without proper documentation in violation of the provisions of Assam Goods and Service Tax Act 2017. Based on intelligence inputs, team from the GST Intelligence and Enforcement Wing conducted surprise inspections at the Azara Railway Yard and Guwahati and Paltan Bazar Railway Yard on various dates. The GST authorities said these individuals are involved in transporting huge quantities of goods without any documents, which also constitutes dealing with stolen property. Big breaking news coming in. 7 businessmen have been arrested in Assam for GST tax evasion. These include Mohammad Neshar of Messrs Baba Logistics, Tripurari Pathak and Abhishek Singh of Messrs Bharat Conveyor, Mithun Kumar of Messrs Fast and Safe Transport Solution, Fakhrul Islam and Sunil Yadav of Super Trans Solution, Bishwajit Borgohain of Messrs DM Associates, Rubul Sekhia of Messrs Right Choice Logistics and Suresh Swami of SBGC Logistics. For more details, read the description box. This is Rishu Kalantri for Mojo News. Keep watching Mojo News. Like, comment and subscribe.